We've seen in graph 8.2 that the question of how do you respond to an increase in your wage does not have an unambiguous answer. The reason for that was that there were offsetting substitution and wealth effects, at least in the case where leisure was a normal good. We will now find that the question, will you save more or less when the interest rate goes up, has a similarly ambiguous answer. The answer depends, again, on the relative size of wealth and substitution effects. One reaction to an increase in the interest rate might be for you to say, boy, I can really make a lot more interest now, I should save more, and therefore I'll end up consuming more in the future. But another reaction might be, well, the interest rate has gone up, I can put less in a savings account and still get as much consumption in the future as I could before, so I should actually save less. The first of these, as we will see, is the substitution effect. The second is the wealth effect. Let's consider, as we did in Chapter 3, the case where you're earning $10,000 this summer, and you're trying to think about saving for next summer when you want to take some time off. Thus, your endowment bundle is $10,000 of consumption this summer. This is what you can consume no matter what happens to the interest rate. If the interest rate is 10%, and you put all $10,000 in a savings account, you'll have $11,000 next summer for consumption. This gives us a budget constraint, known as the intertemporal budget constraint, that illustrates the trade-off between consuming now and consuming in the future. This is our original budget constraint at an interest rate of 10%. Suppose you decide to save half your paycheck this summer under these conditions. In this case, your optimal bundle is bundle A, where you consume $5,000 this summer, and you'll have $5,500 available for consumption next summer, the $5,000 in the savings account, plus the $500 in interest that you'll earn. Now suppose that the interest rate goes up to 20%. This will cause a rotation of your intertemporal budget constraint to the magenta one, a rotation through bundle E.